What is up? Finally back live. We are finally back, everybody. What's going on? Live. Are we live? What's going on out there? Yeah. Let's see what we can do today. News, consumer sentiment, 10 a.m. Alright, 10 a.m. Michigan consumer sentiment. And that is April 24th. May not do too much movement on that news release, but hey, overnight high taken out, everybody. Yesterday's high taken out. All right, so we gotta go ahead and get our things marked up. But hey, we are in San Pedro, Belize. San Pedro, Belize, everyone. And it's great. It's great. The beaches, the food. Oh man, the past few days I've been just greedy, hungry, piglet. I'm telling you, I've been eating some great seafood. It's open 27, 0325, 0325. All right, let me see, 0325. And yeah, been eating good. We'll mark this here. So I'm just at the moment taking a look at some levels. Oh, so 2625, 26, no, 26. That, oh, that's on the same. Hold up, that's not. Hold on, this is. But yeah, San Pedro is awesome. So 1425. San Pedro is great, a great place. 14, there we go. People are nice. You come here, you get you a 6.25. You get you a golf cart, and I tell you, what's that? And you get around this island. That's all you need. No Ubers. No need to rent a car. Any of that. You get you a golf cart, and you just roll around the island. Have a great time. Go to Secret Beach. I recommend everyone try Secret Beach. Very cool out there. Nice beach bars. And today's Friday, so my family, myself, we're here just having a great time on this island. And it looks like we have good Wi-Fi in this Airbnb. Can every, I don't think we're dropping any frames here. Everybody can see me. Maybe I should take this down a level. Let me see. How's that? Yeah. So, we have a lot going on below us. Now we've been pushing up pretty much all week, right? Yeah, we've been on the way up ever since Monday, Tuesday. We made another high. Every day we've been making new highs this week. So, but yesterday was a nice little sell-off on some. From what I understand, it was from some inaccurate news that Hey, what else is new? All types of news and things come out now, and tweets and all types of ridiculous things. So we have to be on the lookout intraday at all times because can't be tricked. you know. So so this we might. I don't know if we get it bounced down here at the high. All right. So previous day low was down there at 26,682.75. Previous day low. And we have, let's see. So we have, today might be, today might be interesting. Point of control, yeah, 27,284.50. Point of control. And we need to look over here as well, see what's cracking. Let's see. Oh, shit. Gotta get that back. Right. A little closer. There we go. Oh, I gotta close this out. I feel like I make beats. Got my little cockpit right here. And we'll be trading some micros today. We'll be trading some micros. Let's reconnect that. And let's make sure we are patient today. Make sure we're waiting for the correct things to happen. Oh, did we just take that? Yeah, but it's a little early to be looking at that. Let's see. Go down there. Check that. Come back up there. Broke that. Do we get a 5 minute? Sit there. Yeah. So yeah, man, San Pedro is very. If you all have not been to San Pedro in Belize, you got to do it. Low volume, right? Low volume right there. Yep. So I'm here in my Airbnb. Here in the Airbnb. Area. So what happens up at 273.75? What happens up there? Either way, that's sweep. Didn't really quite sweep. We can look at. Oh, we have a gap down there also in the price action. Down there at 26,992, we have a gap in the price action. Something to take note of. For sure. That came down. Let's see those higher time frame. Okay. What are you all trading today? Are you trading some minis, micros, S&P, or the ES? What are you all trading today? Oh, that's a big one right there. Okay, 1,000. That was at 1,000. So once we sweep this level and come down to why is this thing going up? Come on. So 10 a.m. consumer sentiment. But okay, we need to wait. Okay, all right. We need this intraday signal here. Intraday signal. Was that the intraday signal? We don't want to jump too early here. We don't want to jump too early. We are trading 20 Apex funded accounts. 297. So it's lessening, but it's not going up. So push it down. It's lessening. So weaker. Come on, market, make the move, make your move. Intel just cleared its .com era ceiling. Okay. Meta to cut 8,000 jobs. Microsoft offers buyouts to staff as AI spending costs hit big tech workers. Anybody out there want to go half on a data center? And that's the future. Data center provider C Square confidentially files for U.S. IPO. Anybody out there? Let's talk some business. Who wants to go have on a data center? Can you imagine owning a data center? How about can you imagine owning the land that the data center is on? You think they're gonna be unable to pay their rent or their fees or whatever? No. Oh, and speaking of, I'm gonna do a video here in Belize, San Pedro. I own some property. I purchased land back about 2 years ago. 2 years and some change. 1 year. No, actually, that was like 2023. We're probably pushing up a little bit. 2020. See, that was. Yeah, 2023. So I went out there, checked it out yesterday, but I have some land in Secret Beach, and it's up and coming. It's I rode through yesterday. You got some people who have built out there already doing Airbnb. My lot is mixed use, so I can go residential or commercial. And on this channel, if you scroll through the videos, my previous videos, you'll see a video titled "I Bought Property in Belize." You'll see me with the mohawk on the thumbnail. So that kind of gives you some more information on the land. But I'm going to do an update video and just talk about some possible ideas and concepts on what to do with that land. But you can check out that video on my channel right now. Actually, the one that I shot on my previous trip here to San Pedro. But yeah, good place to come to look at and consider. This is not financial advice. Anything you see is not financial advice, but I'm glad I made the move. Got some good ideas for that property. Some intraday action. Man, no, that's not strong enough. 10 minutes before this consumer sentiment news comes out. Point of control. Previous day high. Oh yeah, we've been having some fun here. I'm telling you, so good to see family, and because that's the one thing. You travel as much as I do, you really don't get a chance to spend a lot of time with your loved ones. So when we can all get together in a great environment and just laugh. I mean, I laughed so hard last night. I mean, I might have a 6-pack right now. And it was just good to sit around and just enjoy each other's company. And hadn't seen, a year and a half, 2 years was the last time I actually saw everyone, so it's, but that's what it is. It's traveling. That's what it's all. That's what comes with it. You won't be able to see family and friends as much as you would like to. That is just what comes with this remote lifestyle. That's the con. But there are a lot of pros. So you gotta just decide what works for you. 95, 6, that was sale. Let's take that off. 283. go to this beach bar today at about 12 or 1 o'clock. Yep. It's early. So that would be 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So we're good. We're good to go on this stream. They have the DJ out there. Oh man, it's great. That restaurant. Okay, got a little move right there. And we got 20, so 11. 11. All right. Now, Delta, that gets to higher. Let me see something. At 9. That's at 9:50. And it's 9:53. And we went from, that's a 50 point, almost a 60 point drop. That's 60 points. Yeah, just trying to get a beat on what's going on at the moment. Pushing down, swept the little sweep right there. Now we just swept a level there, coming down to previous day high. I'll tell you one thing, a day recently, it came down to previous day high and it shot up from there. Not saying it's gonna do that here, but that's at 27,156. That's right here where it's coming to right now. And that's also $700. Alright, so now we're at previous day high. But if we come down, pushing past that, so pushing down. We got 5 minutes before this news comes out. I really don't want to get in before news, especially 5 minutes before news. Just even though I don't think it's gonna really make things go bananas, but I just don't like doing that. I like to wait till the news comes out, whatever's gonna come out, just come on out, so we don't get any type of knee-jerk reactions. That's 800, and then the price difference there is 60 points. Point of control is now at 27,213.75. So point of control has dropped. Take note of that. Just came down to a low volume. Ooh. Low volume area. News in 3 minutes. I just can't get in this before the news comes out, man. I cannot do it. Cannot do it. 3,000. Just don't trust that. Oh, that's also. Man, what's gonna happen right here? Are we gonna push up from here, I wonder? Got some volume coming in. Got some volume. News in 2 minutes. That's a lot to break through, though. It's a line on any levels. Did we get any alignment? We got some. But that, I feel like we're gonna come down to 26,960 area because you got some low volume down there. Of course, you got liquidity. You got previous day close and previous day open and previous day low. We don't know this, but I don't know. We'll see. 1 minute until the news comes out. We have an Asia low as well. It will make sense for us to come down. It would make some sense. But who am I? Push up there. Come on. We're gonna go back up to the point of control. That's at 215, 235 right there. News. Get a little movement. Consumer sentiment. Oh, I gotta put this. Oh, I gotta put this up too. Hold on 1 second, everyone. Gotta make sure we don't lose. Gotta make sure we don't lose power here. Gotta make sure we don't lose power. Can't lose power. Stay with me. Oh, that's working on that. Oh man, okay. Let's plug this up here. Right, alright. My equipment. Plug this up here. Alright. Power. Hold on 1 second, everybody. Hold on 1 second there. Had to get some power. Plug this up right here. Sorry about that brief interruption. Above that right now. Still don't see. So we did go up to 230. Dang, that was a nice little push up. Retest previous day high. Point control, bounce to 200. So I need to see. So we get. Let me just look at yesterday real quick. Yesterday. It was, where's that? 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Yesterday's Thursday. The first one. And then the body. Alright. I just wanted to take a look at some things yesterday. So, will we have an opportunity to go short here? And if so, will it be coming up here at 27,240 to go short? 27,240. I may be interested in a short position at that level. And by the way, this is a 1 minute chart. 27,240. Let's put a short position right there with stop loss right above. So we got a tight stop loss, but I would like to take a look at that level, 240. Let me see if anything else makes sense. I like that entry. Let's test it out though. Because we might make another. Let's test out 27,240. This chair is pretty comfortable. Usually in Airbnb, you don't get a nice office chair. That's the wall right there. Let's see if we can get a feel up here. 255. So I got that 240. where if this is gonna work. I like the entry. I feel comfortable trying this one out. Let's see if we're right or if we're wrong on this one. On control. See if we get the feel. And that's right above it though. Actually, it's not. Stay high. So we're now. I'll say this though. If we break above. That bounced off of it too. That's interesting as well. We bounced off of the previous day high. That's what we're doing right now. So, but it just doesn't quite look like a buy though. It feels like it could be because we just bounced our previous day high, but then again, I almost got filled. That pre-market activity just almost filled.
Order filled.
1 mini, 1 micro across all 20 accounts. Right now, stop loss is 15 points away. Let me just put it just above this level right here. It's probably a little bit more realistic. So if we're right about this trade, let's see if we're right first, and then we'll look for possible re-entries. If we are right, if the sellers can step in here, because we are pushing up a little bit, so I just want to make sure. But the pre-market activity, pre-market activity just feels somewhat. I don't know if I see a buy right now anyway. It could be if it shows showing some pushing up. Back to the entry. There's really no other. That wouldn't. If we come up to almost 260. I wouldn't like that, of course, right? But it's really no. If we can break down below this previous day high again, don't stop me out. Don't stop me out, man. Come on, man. Don't do it. Bye. We swept liquidity on the 1 minute just now. A little, right here, just a little sweep. Didn't sweep this yet, and I don't want us to sweep up here. I don't really want that sweep. For one, because it would stop me out. But for two, buying got some buyers stepping in. Might get stopped out right here.
Stop filled.
Stop field. That broke this level too, though. All right. Now I'm looking at another possible short entry is at I don't know if we get down below this again. That same just looking to see a possible long, if there's a good possible long entry, or what a short entry could look like. A short entry could look like 292.50 to go short. 292.50 is possible. But we gotta make sure we're not in a buy. We gotta definitely make sure we're not in a. So I got in at. So this is my initial entry. I think I should try this entry again. I want to try that one more time. Because we just swept some liquidity, some buy side liquidity. And if that's if it's a sweep, not a run, then perhaps we can get the down push here. Let's go back up and retest that level. How far is that away from my 42?
Order filled.
Put a stop loss right here because we should come back up there if we are in a true sell right now. But I want to try that again because that pre-market activity just seems a little bit interesting. So I want to try a sell here again. But for longs, get another stop out. Come on, man. Well, at least give me. If it's gonna push up, it shouldn't push up from here. Not from here, man. Come on now. If you're gonna push up, don't do it from here. You already stopped me at once. Swept the. Come on, sellers. Get us below this point of control. And then get us below that previous day high. Come on, man. Come on. If we get below previous day high, man, even if we get down to 27,176, we can break down below that level. That's yeah. If we can get down previous day high, you guys, I mean, we should be going down after that, man. Previous day high would be a nice level to get down to. Value zone. And if we get down to 27,083, look out. But I don't want to put another entry here. I want to wait. I want to see what this thing really does, because you got to watch out for these pullbacks that can kind of mess you up. I've done that plenty of times before. Got in and pulled back. I know you all have too. Pullbacks. Once you get into a position. Come on, man. Let's get down there below. Sellers, step in. Look like we got some sellers coming in, but how strong are these guys? I'm not seeing any real strength from these sellers just yet. Whoa, Jay, whoa, what's going on, man? Finally back on the stream. Finally back, man. Finally back on the stream. Come on, man. Come on now. Yeah, what's going on, man? What's up? What's up? Buenos dias. Sellers. Salute. Salute, man. Come on, sellers. What you doing? They must still be asleep. Are you waiting for a break to the upside or downside? Waiting for the break. I'm waiting for it to break down, but we've been running up all week. But if we break, see, we had an aggressive push at 7 a.m. Those two, what we can say three, those three candles that started at 7 o'clock, those are pretty strong. And I looked at that, I was like, damn, we're gonna go up. But then looking at that, I'm just kind of looking at a sell right now. I just think, all right, we pushing down right now, up 1 micro across all 20 accounts at the moment. I would like to re-enter, but I want to wait until these buyers wake up after they have their coffee, I guess. I want to see us break down below 27,175. If we can get down there, I would love it if we can get down there, but I don't want to get in again yet because things can get a little sketchy still. I'm not seeing these sellers really step up yet. And then for longs, that's not really what I would like to see for that. Let's see what we can get here. Think about downside. Yeah, I'm looking at the downside also until it shows me otherwise, but I'm looking at the downside also, man. Asian low has not been taken out. Asia low is down there. What? And the gap is down there too. See, that gap is, that's another thing. The gap and the Asia low is that. Well, that is the yeah. The Asia low is 26,990. And from here, that's let's break down. Yesterday another entry was 20. If we do have some ridiculous push up, could be a re-entry at and please don't go back up. Don't go up to this point. But if it does go up to 26,292.50. If it does go up there, might take another shot at a short. Might, but I don't want to see us going back up another 60 points right now. That would be just. Got some consolidation going on right now too. If we look at this 5-minute chart, so the first 15 minutes of the day. So really, if you people talk about the orb strategy. It already did that in a way. Come on, man. Let's break this point of control, which is at 27,219.75. We need to break through this volume. Up $35 right now on each account. And just for one micro, lightweight right now, lightweight. We need to really get down to the first level. I would love to see is 27,175. We can get down there. I would really like this play more. Come on, sellers. Wake up. Wake up and smell the coffee. Up $50 across each one's up 60, 70 bucks, up 80 bucks. Okay, so I need to see where would be a good. Okay, let's break this VWAP too. Touching VWAP right now. Let's break VWAP. Breaking through VWAP. Come on, don't bounce up off this VWAP. Come on, push through this VWAP. Push through this VWAP. Come on. You do it any other time. Come on. Push through that VWAP, baby. Push through that VWAP. Push through 190, 27,191. Let's push through that. Like a hot knife through butter, baby. Let's go. Come on now. Popping a new pair of shoes. Come on, man. Now let's get below that previous day high. Let's get below that 200. And the gap is at 990, so, or the high 990s, 26,009. Now, I love to stay in this trade all the whole time. Give me 200 points. Be greedy. All right, we're up $90 on each account. Still only in for one micro. Don't really want to add yet. We can't break through VWAP. There's no need in me adding to this position. Prove to me. Up $98, up $100 on each account. Pull it back a little bit. Let me push through this VWAP. I need you to push through this VWAP, man. Not bounce off this thing. $27,158. Of course, we will. Yeah, 158. That's what we need. We need to get down to the 20. We need to get down to the 27 150s. We gotta break this VWAP. Come on, man. Touching it again. We need to break the VWAP, bro. We need to break the VWAP, man. Come on, break the VWAP. Come on. But then for the long, I was looking at was in this area, but if we can invalidate this long that I was looking at, that would be another good sign. We need some more confirmation just to before we even consider going in for another micro. We gotta break the VWAP, you know. That's the first thing I need to see us close below it. 5-minute candle closed in 4 minutes. Come on now. Breaking VWAP, but we need to close below it. I want to see us close. I'm gonna take another entry right there. We can get filled. Getting a nice push though. Take another entry. Actually, I want it right here if we can get it. If we can get it. All right, now we're getting to the one area I wanted to see us get to. So I gotta take a position right here. I gotta see if I can get filled there because
Order filled.
that is a level we need to really continue to push down right here. And I need to, how many more minutes? 3 minutes before this candle closes. 5-minute candle. Let's take another re-entry right there, but we're below VWAP. That's good. But once once we can get down to these 170s or 150s, you know, we can. Let's take that off real quick. Two minutes before this candle needs to close below. So we need, all right, coming to these low 170s. Let's get into the low 170s. Let's get to this previous day high. One minute before the 5-minute candle closes. Come on, hold it down, sellers. Hold us down, man, hold us down. Back above VY, man. It's right there. Sweep. Let's see. Took that. I wonder, should I take this position off? I feel like I might need to take this off.
Order filled.
Not feeling good about that anymore. Small profit on that. I don't like what it's doing right now for shorts. And I feel like if it's a long, the entry was just down here. If it's a long, could be a long now. This is where it's a little sketchy. You gotta be careful because could be a long play, but now we're back above VWAP. So I had to close that out and just take a little small profit, just in case we're long now, or we're bullish now. It's very possible. That position right there. Because we gotta stay open to everything. We gotta kind of stay. Mo, what's up, bro? What's up, Big Mo? What's up, man? We're trying to see what this price action wants to do today. I was just short, but now I had to close that position out with a small profit because things could be looking a little bullish right now. Could be. But see, I don't like those candles right there too much. I was just short. So, all right, we're going back short. All right, we're gonna close below VWAP. Point of control at 212, but it's still hanging around VWAP. I don't like that. Waiting for the chop to be over. Yeah, got some chop city right now. Got that right, man. It's chop right now, and yeah, it's like you don't want to be in the chop. That's why I just closed that position out. See, I was gonna, when I was looking at that long earlier, it was right where it kind of started from. Now it's going up, but that would have been a little. That would have been about 30 points. I ain't crying. I can't cry about that. Well, not about 50 points. Been chopping for a while though. I'm glad I closed out that short position. That was a good closure. Give us some more volume. Got that right. But okay, we're gonna push up. I started to take that long. I was still thinking short, so I wasn't even considering it long. But I should have marked that level just so I could remember. But I was kind of stuck on it long. But when we come down to we're still in that area where it's like me and might consolidate for a little while, maybe. It's actually been in that area the whole time. It's almost like it hasn't really made a choice on where it wants to go. Make a choice. Make a choice. Need another high. If we can break above 266, might be a time to go long if we can break above that. That swept that area. Man, I was sell 50. Consolidation. Oh man. So I got it. That first play, I lost a little bit on the very, very first play, but then I made it back in a little more on the second play. That second play I got, it was a 40-point drop. No. Yeah. With that one micro, lightweight. Anything significant. Man, I wanted that short to work out. Man, that would have been sweet. But we got that volume, that gap down at the bottom still. Down there, down below, we got a gap. Big Mo, Jay. What's up? What's up, brothers? What's up, brothers? What is going on? What are we gonna get? gonna happen. Yeah, man. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? That short didn't work out. I won. It worked out small. I got some small green, but that thing was supposed to slice down. Oh, it's hard to hear me. I wonder if let me see. Was your mic up or is it my mic? Whose mic is your speakers up? Are your speakers up? Let me see. That might be me because that's up right there. That's low. Jay Woe, can you hear me? How's my mic on your side, or how's my sound on your side? Because my camera is. I don't have that mic on the top hooked up. Let me see. Let me see if I can if I can adjust that. Look at this push up. Supposed to be. Let's see if I can move this. Maybe get a little closer. Sound a little bit better now, or is it still low? It's not plugged in. Look at this push up. I should have marked that low down there. Are we gonna go to 27,292 and reject? Are we gonna do that? It was just look okay. Liquidity. That's 292. What happens? What happens at 292? Since we didn't go down from that level, this thing is. We didn't go down from there, so now I'm wondering, are we gonna take out some highs up here? Are we going to go to 363? $312. Look, we got to pull back. Might have to look for a long. I don't want to try to go short because what the heck's wrong with this? Pull back. 228. I don't think we come all the way back down here. I don't think. A little better? Alright, cool. Qs need to break above 660 to get moving. Getting a little pullback here. Do we get 228? Because it didn't go down from there, so let's go long right there if we can get filled. Now you know what? Let me see something. Where's that low volume at though? I want to take that. Take that off. Let me see something. Look at that. Down there, so. Yeah, we might want to go up to the upside here now. It might be. Sellers are asleep. They can't do anything right now. I did want to see us come down to 228. Came close to. Didn't take that entry down there, but didn't take that entry, but just swept some fair value. No, that's not really good. Sellers could be still hanging around a bit. Maximum patience required today. Man, tell me about it. They want us to wait and wait and wait today. Like, no, you guys are gonna wait until we're ready. Patience. I'm telling you, man, it's like, nice little run right there. If I'd have got into that one. Yeah, I wanted 228, but didn't quite come down to that. Good morning. gotta text that guy too to see if we can get a ride to the beach. That entry down there, I was not looking at longs down there. I should have been down looking at those longs, but but that, I can't be mad about that. I probably wouldn't have really taken that trade anyway. Can't cry about that. Where are the sellers? Where are the sellers? I don't see you guys. But it might want that high up there at 361. It might want that. We're in balance right now too. We're in balance. In balance. But yeah, NFL draft yesterday went pretty good for us. We got that linebacker out of Miami. Yeah, I think he's gonna be a dog. Edge. Yeah, man, I think we're gonna be that was a good defensive addition to the Bolts defense. Yeah, that guy, he's a dog. He's a dog. We gotta give a little Bo Nix and Mahomes some things to think about. So we got day 2. The draft comes on. Yeah, I won't watch it probably, but yeah, 'cause we only had one pick yesterday. One pick. Yeah, one pick. Hakeem Messidor, linebacker out of Miami. Miami, the U. Good job, Coach. Coach Harbaugh. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. We're going to break any type of... Let me turn these on and see where we at. Bounced off that thing pretty nice too. All right, man. Pushing up now. Look at that. Now it went to that level I was looking at for a short. Where it is right now, but hard to go short right here. That's hard. That's a hard. I don't know if I can do it right here. Not the way this thing is pushing up. Nope. Can't make that move. That's too risky. Man, 6, what? Hold up. That's an outlier right there. How did I not, hold on, man. Was that already there? Did I miss that? Did I miss that? 613. I wonder if this is, let me see. I wonder if we are officially pushing up or not. A lot of orders down there at 212. That's interesting right there. So if we come down to the 260s, London close coming up at 11:30 a.m. London. Man. Like you said, man, maximum patience today. Maximum. The buyers don't really seem. They don't seem super strong though. They're definitely pushing up right now, but still hang around that same area for the moment anyway. It's hard. Yeah, I need some confirmation. $5.85. Let's see where we were right here. We were at -141. 20 points off. 20 points. Tough division. But y'all may have make some noise next year. Yeah, man, we might make some noise next year. We gotta get we gotta protect Herbo, man. That dude was like a punching bag out there last year. If our O-line can stay healthy, I like our chances. We had the right tackle and our starting left tackle went down all last year. So Herbo was just like, man, he's running for his life. He was running for his life. But San Fran, you guys out. You got the San Fran. They looked good last year. Still got McCaffrey. Who did y'all get yesterday in the draft? I think I saw the list, but I didn't see who y'all picked up yesterday. Get to that old style San Fran defense. NFL draft. Fernando Mendoza went #1. Yeah, I don't know about that dude. Oh, San Fran didn't have a pick yesterday. Ravens picked up a defensive tackle. Chiefs picked up a cornerback. Giants picked up Rubies. Sonny Styles to the Commanders. Ruben Bain. Oh, they picked up Ruben Bain. Yeah, he was looking pretty tough too out of Miami. All right, pushing up here now. Ravens. The Ravens, yeah, y'all got the Caleb Banks. That dude is 6'6", 327. It's a big boy right there. 6'6", 327. Man, you gotta play some, man. You that size, you gotta play football. You 6'6", 327. Chiefs had. So might watch the draft today. Might catch a little bit of it, possibly. Man, it's kind of price action. Just slow, creeping. I wish I caught that injury down there. I wish I saw that injury. 613. These numbers. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing sold off. 612. That's a big number, man. We went from one. Okay, that was 140. That's only 25. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing is sold off. Just don't know when. Yeah, this thing is gonna have to sell off, I think. It took a little sweep right here, right? Did a little sweep right there. But does it come up to take 310? But it might. $700 now. Let me see something here. $700. It's not really taking 300. Are we trying to sell off? And I was talking about 292 earlier for a sale. 292. Are these buyers getting absorbed or are they not? That's the question. Are the buyers getting absorbed? That's going 800 now. These buyers might be getting absorbed. Still not really. It's a little risky to go short right here, but well, it just looks like these buyers
Order filled.
go short. I just want to see. I gotta check. I gotta try this order out because it might stop me out, but put that about how many points away? Like, might get stopped right out. But these still got that gap down there too. Come on, sellers. It looks like you guys, 895 is still not really moving up. That's the thing I'm looking at. I did that because it's like a lot of buying, but the price is not really pushing up though. And sometimes when it does that, not all the time, but I've seen it do this and then like reverse strong. Now if the price moves up, it would kind of add up. I was wondering why it's not really moving up from where it is now. That was 295. I got in at 295. Let me let that breathe just a little bit more. Let that stop loss breathe just a little bit. That's a 20-point stop loss. One micro. I'll take that risk, light risk. Because if this is correct, that's the biggest question. Man, see, this thing is like buying, but it's not going up. That's usually a sign that it's a reverse coming up. I'm not gonna say usually, but I've seen that happen before. Still got the gap at 990. Got the 26,990 gap. That could be filled today or Monday, but it would be great if we get that thing filled today. Come on down for your boy. Now it's at one. Yeah, it could be a buy still, but I think the buyers might be getting absorbed. I hope, for my sake. I think they might be getting absorbed by these sellers. I think. A lot of dojis in all that area, so it may reverse. And I may get stopped out too. But man, that just seems like a lot of buying for it not to really be like going up seriously. Now we might sweep that 312 level, so I might get stopped out because we could sweep 312. In that case, I still feel like this might be a sell though. I'm not quite sure, but I think it could be. I don't want to go against the grain, but these sellers these buyers, I'm gonna get stopped out. Probably. But why is it not? It's not really pushing up though. That is a strange thing, man. That's why I took that sell. it's pushing up a little bit. Well, down $30. Oh, that went away. Oh, maybe it isn't. Let's see. 310. Just swept that. Just swept that. Should I take another one? See if watching AVGO to see if it
Stop filled.
stopped out. Watching AVGO to see if it plays catch up. AVGO. Alright, so that one wasn't ready to sell, so that that's a big order right there too. I got in at what? That was 292. That was right down here. Let me try to get in right here with this sale. Cause this I don't know, man. This could still be.
Order filled.
I'm short at 27,311. Stop loss up here at this level. We swept some liquidity, so we might go down from here. Might not, but let's see if we can get some type of sell. Some sellers to step in. Don't know. But it's still strange that the buyers, they're pushing it up, but they're not, like, from what this volume is saying versus what the price action is doing, it's not really adding up all the way. So something's not lining up here, I think, but we took out the previous day high. We didn't take out this session's low, of course, so we got that low. We got the gap down there still. That gap is down there, the 990s. And can we get a nice push into them 990s? That would be amazing to close that gap. Come on, man. Keep pushing this thing down. Come on, sellers. Damn. Come on. It really just seems like so all those buyers. So those were what? Those would be all those buyers. Who was selling to those buyers? It's a question. Come on, let's get this push. 11:19. Come on, let's go. Come on, man. Come on now, let's get these buyers out of the picture. Come on. That was looking really strange. I got in right here for the first entry. 296. Should I re-enter there? Or should I wait for some more confirmation? Come on, man. Push this bad boy down. We might need to go in for you guys wondering, do I need the assistance? Come on, man. These buyers, bro. Well, hey, I had to go for that buy. For that sell. Still in it. But it just seemed like. And then that came out of nowhere, too. Just right. That popped up out of all this volume. Out of nowhere, this pops. This Take this off. Still so man, come on now with this crap. Stop out again. Don't do it.
Stop filled.
So it did want that 330, those 330s. $296. Get a pullback. $312. $314.
Order filled.
Came down to low volume, 305, 309. That should hold us up right there, right? Should hold us down a little. Came back down from 333. So that should push us back up right there, man. We should get a push back up, but when we break back above 330, we break back above 330. Let me take that off. Let me see if we can get took that sweep. I'm long at 309. Three minutes until this 5-minute candle closes. And we got high at 370. So we go take that high out. That's interesting. We came down from that. We went up, and now we're back below that. So 318. Wondering if we need to be 318. That's right here. We can try an order right there, right? That seems to be. If that's indeed somebody.
Stop filled.
Real buy, then 318 should be a good level, but we need to close above 318. All right, come on, push up there. Let's put this stop loss right here real quick. Just stop loss down below that
Order filled.
3 micros. $370. Can we get 370? If we break this level, see, we can put an order right there. We can break this high, 332. Push through that.
Stop filled.
That's good. So we need to keep going. 40 more points. I'll be happy. No, I did that. No. I did that before. Not right there. Right here might be a re-entry. We can get back down there. Micros. So if we can take out that high, maybe keep even possibly push even more. But 370 is up there. 370. Come on, take me up there. $70 is 20 points.
Order filled.
Another re-entry right there. That's 30. Might get a pullback, so let's see. Let's put this down here real quick. Buyers. 318. I like 318. Accept that. Do we retest this level?
Order filled.
Retest that high. Can we keep this push? Keep the push, man. Gotta keep this push. To the upside. Oh shit. Something's messed up. I'll re-enter at that bottom. Forget that.
Order filled.
Man, get this push. 370.
Order filled.
Oh, come on, man. The previous high. But that is nothing. Let me see now. This previous low right here.
Order filled. Up there. Just to mess around back down here again. It really makes no sense. Can't be serious. Can't be serious right now. Order filled.
As soon as I go long, this thing pulls back hard. What the heck? It's crazy, man. What kind of mess is this?
Order filled.
Too much, man. Why? That was a man. What? That was crazy. Crazy. And as soon as I went long, that's when I pulled back. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. That's wild. That's wild, man. They've been a trend line. There was something going on. That was mean, technically, it's not a crazy pullback. I mean, it still could go up, but man, I'm thinking it's gonna be a slight pullback. That even I don't even know where. That initial entry was down here.
Order filled.
And I had an entry right there, I think, right here. So we go back up to 370. Put a low one and took that out. Previous high was right here.
Order filled.
Previous high level. Let me see. 4 minutes before this candle closes. 5-minute candle. So it pulled back on me. But
Order filled. definitely need to break this 345 level here, 344. Need to break that 344 level. Then we got this low down here that could be another sweep. Then come back down here to this point. Might come right back down to that line. See that happening right here. 314. Can we get 314? 340 is up there. 344. Let's get 344. We gotta get that. Stop filled.
I need a drink. What the? Yo, man. I definitely, I'm not complaining, but see that kind of stuff right there is well, I mean, what was that? Bro, I mean, he said, oh shit, went to make a smoothie. He went to make a smoothie. He can't, man, I'm looking at, bro, I was looking for 370. That candle went up from 315 at the low up to 390. Bro, that's 80 points in a minute. What happened? What did he tweet? What did he do? Let me refresh Yahoo Finance. What? DOJ. That's 21 minutes ago. DOJ drops investigation of Fed Chair Powell. No, that's what was? Let me see. This dude had. This guy did something, man. What did he do? Let me go to Wall Street. $18 minutes ago. I don't know. That candle right there was a. I'm just glad I was in the buy. That bad boy was Well, man, that is like, what was that? I don't know what. That's almost like a, I don't know how to describe that. That's like a, like you when you in something like that and it doesn't move up or down, you're in it. It's almost like time slows down. Like, I was just looking at this thing in it, trying to figure out, do I need to exit the position or do I need to like make my stop loss and push it up? He's like, your mind, I was thinking about 1,000 things in that second. That's crazy. So all those entries I took initially, if I would have just stayed in those, man, that would have been, ooh, I was in for like, what? I was in for like 100 something micros. How many cons? I had, I was only in for 3 micros at that time when that happened. But you know, when I got stopped out before, I was in for like, man, right, let me see, right here. I was in for, see, let me zoom in. This is what happened the first time. I got in for these buys right here. That's one. I was in for multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I was in for 9 micros, man, on that first one. I was only in for 3 for that move. See, I got in right here, in these 3. Right here, boom, 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 these 3. And got out. So I got my first entry was at 27,324. And I got out at 27,400. So that would have been a 70-point move. If I would have had 9 micros, 70 points it would have been. But hey, it's cool. We got. Ooh, that would have happened on the. That would have been juicy right there. But this is still pushing up. Man. Yeah, I was in 3 contract, 3 3 micros on each account. Wow. That was let me see. That would have been smooth. And it's still pushing too. What is it? Where is this thing going? What I'm still trying to see what news. Yahoo. That's the only thing. DOJ drops Jerome Powell case. Is that what this thing is about? Well, he is clearing the path for a new Fed chair. And maybe that was it. But who? Wow. Yeah, man. What we got here? 3. Well. That right there was a nice push, but that daily chart, it's just like going and going and going. I don't know where we're going next week, but man, finally got my move on AVGO. Oh, that's good. You got in, you got it. How many contracts did you trade on AVGO? AVGO. I have them on my watch list. I have AVGO on the watch list. Weekly chart. Look at that weekly chart. That weekly chart is bananas. So, if you're talking about 4 weeks, going back to April 6th, March 30th, if you would have been, somebody would have been holding, they are playing around. Those people that know what's going on, you get in on March 30th and hold until now. Man, that's 5,000, or damn near 5,000 points. Somebody made, man, they're doing a lot of stuff right now. Millions and millions and millions of dollars are being made with this stuff. This weekly chart is crazy looking. From 23,000 up to 27,000 since April 30th. Dang, that's a lot of points. You almost can't go short. I mean, it's like, I try it, but until further notice, how much is enough? How much is enough money today? How much is enough? How much is enough money today before I leave the screens? I don't know, man. It might be time to leave. I think I'm done. That's not, after that candle, that's one of those candles where you gotta close up the laptop. After that one, I'm like, yeah. I was down like $100, $100 and something dollars, and that candle, that right there helped me out. Like, but that's like what? Let me see. Screen. That's a wrap. That's a wrap for me. After that one, man, that was too much going on. I missed that entry earlier today. I was mad about that. I tried to go short. Yeah, today was just kind of like, I don't know. See, it's a wrap. Dude, that was, man, listen. I got, let me see what's this channel here. Oh, not that one. That one right there. That's my 1 minute, my other screen right there. Where am I at right here? But yeah, that bounced off previous day high. I wish I would have caught that one at rate. That would have been. I had it marked right here, previous day high. I just didn't take that trade because I was thinking it was bearish at that time. This right here, I should have got in right here for 1 micro to test that out. But when I saw this leg, I was like, nah, maybe it's bearish. And then all of this action coming down pre-market, I was a little bit hesitant to take that buy right here. But that was the entry, you know what I'm saying? It went up, came back down, and just, you know. But today was, it wasn't a big day today. We just did what? Base hit day, 226 on each account. 226, so yeah, we gotta get back at it Monday. See what's cracking. Yeah, fellas, yeah, that's a wrap. So I'm gonna hit this shower, go grab some breakfast over here. We're 2 hours behind. So here's 9:57. So get with the fam, go out here, get some food, and yeah, man. You know, we are back at it Monday morning, 9:30 a.m. Let's get it. Yeah, man, y'all fellas have a good weekend. Let's watch this draft. Let's see what's gonna happen today and tomorrow on this draft too. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully we get some good players. But yeah, all right, fellas. Salute. Adios.